there, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. So this is the last memory verse in the series of the Romans Road. So we've done now Romans 3:23, Romans 6:23, Romans 5:8, and now we're coming to Romans 10 verse 9 to 10. So it's a little bit of a longer verse. It's because if you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raises him from the dead, you'll be saved. For with the heart one believes and is justified, and with the mouth one confesses and is saved. And this is the summary of the gospel. We are saved, by confessing that Jesus is Lord, by bowing down to him, and we are justified. And it's going to be interesting digging into these words, or looking at what being justified means, what means believing. It's more just this believing there is a God, is really trusting in God. So this is the verse you're going to put behind your daily section. So this is the verse you're going to concentrate on a daily basis. Your old daily verse, which is last week's verse, you're going to move into the even sections. With other words, you're going to memorize that on the even days. Your old even verse, you're going to move into the odd section. So you're going to concentrate that on the odd days of the week, like the 3rd, 5th, and so forth. Your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. I'm going to put it behind Wednesday because I'm trying to go back and forth, but you can do it any place. So my old Wednesday verse, I'm going to move into my monthly section. Yet again, you can choose where you want. You can go from the beginning till the end, but because I have memorized quite a lot of verses over the years, so it doesn't really matter where I put it. It's going to be everywhere. So I'm just going to put behind the 16th. So at the 16th, I've got about 4 verses I need to revise, which I have memorized over the years. And then tomorrow morning, I will go to my Romans 10 verse 9 to 10. Last and 3 years ago, I've practiced it there. And now I'll just go to my review sheet and practice it. So I hope it goes well. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the Romans Road, and that you may use it in a situation where you want to explain somebody the gospel, or just even for your own mind, cementing what it means to be a follower of Christ. Talk to you soon.